Hey Diamonds, it's your girl Eva Tarae, right back at you with yet another video. Thank you so much for joining me once again. To our newbies, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for joining the Diamond Fam Bam. Go ahead and subscribe and also click the notification bell so that you will be notified as soon as I drop another video. So today we're gonna get into this look. I love it, love it, love it. I definitely have been feeling green lately, so I definitely wanted to incorporate that. The red lip, I'm kind of feeling like a Christmas vibe coming on. You let me know what you think in the comment section. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look today, you know what to do.
Damn, I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you.
To start off this look, I did grab my MAC Wonder Woman quad. I went in with the deepest, darkest color that they had, and that's Diana Undercover. I also grabbed my tapered eyeshadow brush by Kiss to pack that color in the outer V, and I also brung it just about halfway forward on my lid. Grab my box of crayons palette, going in with that green, placing it onto the center of my lid. I also used that same brush to blend it backwards just a little bit onto that Diana Undercover. Grabbing this light green from a MAC quad that I made years ago. I can't remember the name of it. I'm going to take that color and put it on the interior 1/3 of my lid and also work that backwards into that green from my box of crayons palette. To marry all of those colors together, I am going to grab my Sigma SS224, and I have popped a Bobbi Brown eyeshadow in the crease. It is called Bash. Now that I have all the shadows in place, I'm going to take some time to maybe add some color if I need to, blend it out, just kind of go over everything to make sure it's seamless. For my brow bone highlight, I'm going to use that First Shadow Manila paper. For my lashes, I am going to use the Kiss Triple Push-Up Collection lashes in Brazier. On my face, I'm going to use my Becca Evermatte Poreless Priming Perfector for the center, and then the perimeter, I'm going to use my Benefit the Professional Matte Rescue. For my foundation, I chose the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made, and I am in the shade D70. If you have not checked out my review of that foundation, please do so. I will leave a card up above. For my highlight, I am using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. To set my highlight, I used my translucent powder by Laura Mercier in medium deep. To contour, as usual, I'm going to use my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in medium deep. For my bronzer, I went in, of course, with my Estee Edit, the Barest Bronzer in medium deep. For mascara, I'm going in with my L'Oreal Paris Telescopic in black. For my lips, I chose the Cranberry Stiletto Lip Whip by Beauty Bakery. And diamonds, here is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial today. I'm really happy the way this turned out. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Below, go ahead and list any comments that you have, any future videos that you'd like to see. And as always, diamonds, until next time.